the festival palette from BH Cosmetics for you guys who just arrived. And this is what it looks like. And all the colors I need are pretty much here. I'm going to use the pinks and the pink purple, this light pink one, and this one. So I feel like it's gonna be like a cute like little party look. I'm gonna go a little bit outwards so it's not completely like up, it's more out. And then that way I know if I get anything that'll fall out that way, I don't have to clean it up afterwards. Sorry you guys, I know my hair's still gray. I was gonna go get my hair cut and I was thinking, I was like, should I go get a haircut? I'm like, no, you gotta do a video. Get your ass home and do your video. Okay, I'm gonna use like a big fluffy blending brush to put this pink color. I'm gonna put this pink color. Damn, look at this, you guys. This isn't even with like a white base. I have just like regular concealer. Y mira que color. This is just gonna be, like I said, my transition shade.
I'm bringing it out more because I want this shit to be dramatic. This shouldn't gonna be like everyday makeup. You're not gonna be like, I'm going to church with this makeup. We ain't going to church, okay? Much better? Good. Okay, cool. I definitely can't be too super quiet because I don't want them to take, this video away. I'm still trying to get them to fix the other one that they have partially muted, y'all. Yeah. I'm gonna bring it up because I like to make sure that you can see it when my eyes are open. You know the drill, you guys. Oh my god, this is just a transition shade. Mira que bright. I'm gonna try to do both the eyes at the same time. Like, one, two, one, two. This one might be too down. I wish I could do all that, but yeah, I can't. Girl, practice, practice. I don't know anything about makeup either. I mean, I didn't even grow up around makeup. My mom never wore makeup. My grandmother just wore like lipstick here and there, but my grandmother didn't need makeup. She had like perfect skin. She's perfection, literally. But just buying little things. Girl, started off with like LA Girl, Wet n Wild, all that stuff, and just went with it. Should I still use it?
I like how bright it is, like right when I snapped it on. Like usually for colors to be this bright, you normally gotta like pat it in, but I'm using a blending brush and mira que cosa. I'm very, very happy with this. Right here. And we're tapping off the excess. I tell you, this has a lot of fallout, but most of the best eyeshadows do, girl. And we're gonna go in like a circular motion. Girl, look at how bright that is. Oh my god, if this isn't party makeup, I don't know what it is. Yes, girl, look at that. See, and it's kind of, you see how it's easing from that light pink to like the more intense pink? This looks good. I'm really happy with these, to be honest. They look really nice. This is definitely a pop of colors. Again, we're using the BH Cosmetic Weekend Festival palette. Girl, it's affordable. Try to look for a coupon code. Usually I go on like Retail Me Not and get one from there. Or sometimes your favorite YouTubers can end up having a coupon code. But look at that. Look at that transition, mija. We can go in and add more of the light pink if you want. It's up to you. Gosh, color is tripping me out. I'm still freaking out. Like, this is BH, y'all. Yes. I noticed you guys like colorful looks too. I mean, yes, natural looks are great, but I think my most popular videos are that pop of color. So I'm gonna give the people what they want. I think it's nice sometimes to, you know, even if you don't kind of do these looks, to see how they're done. I was gonna cut the crease, but I'm like, you know what, y'all, we don't need to be cutting nothing. Like I said, we're not cooking, we doing makeup. A little sloppy. I'm gonna press, 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 and kind of bring it upwards. There we go. Look at that color. Woo! Wepa! We're bringing back in the pink with this pencil brush so that we're getting more control in the inner corner. and also blending that edge of that purple. So it's just not like purple. It's like purple with pink together. Oh, you guys, I'm totally feeling this. I'm so excited. So you guys can really see. And then we'll go very close. And then I'll kind of make it bigger as I go out. Right now, the whole thing is to make sure it's close enough to my lashes. And then I have a bunch of lines on my eyes, so I mean, I'll fix it, but if it's not perfectly crisp, what can you do? I have eye wrinkles, whatever. And I have a hooded eyelid, so I have to put it kind of outwards and a little bit thicker so that when I open my eye, you can actually see the wing and you don't see some crinkly line. You guys, definitely another key to having like your eyeshadow last all day is to have a primer. Get an eyelid primer. I tell you, it's totally worth it. It's an extra step, but it totally will make everything last. Up with my eyeshadow just because I'm putting on lashes. I don't think the lashes are gonna cover it that much though. Girl, it's getting dried out. I think I need a new lash glue already. We're gonna let it kind of sit a little to dry so it can be sticky. Sticky.
Okay, I'm gonna put this layer on. I start at the end and then go towards the front. The band is white on this one, but I'll just go in and add more liner. And squeeze these mofos together. Make them one.
I add more towards the front than I do anywhere else and towards the back. Because I feel like that's where it gets loose.
I'll put some mascara too to make sure that they look extra dark. Again, going in at the end and then bringing it forward. I should have let this get more tacky, but it is what it is. We're already here.
And we're going with the blue eyeliner. This one is the Pixie eyeliner in Cobalt Blue. You could definitely get one from L'Oreal and Maybelline, I believe, have these colors. It's blue and sets the blue that's on my eyes. And then bring it down a little to kind of smoke it. There we go. We blend, blend, blend. See, in the Revealed palette, this one seems a lot like a whiter color, and that's what I want. Like a pinker tone one too. That's not a problem, but I like it to go a little, just a little bit whiter. Kind of gives that. Okay. And And the other side. Yes. Wild Blossom Glow. It looks like this, girl. Look at that. It's kind of like a pink. It's way pinkier in the pan than it looks on here. And then I'll just add it here with my finger. You can definitely go ahead and wet it if you want it more intense. Which for a part intense. And it's got pink. This one's Tarte. This one is, no, Too Faced. Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush. And I'm going to grab this one so that I can grab the color that I want. I want mostly this one. And this one gives like a nice glow to the skin too. Look at the difference. Woo! I love blush. I feel like some people are like, oh, you got too much blush. You can never have enough blush. Shut up. Just stop hating on my blush. Don't hate on that glow. It makes you look youthful when you have blush on. Like, it makes you look super young. You could be... Anyways, I'm going to go in with like a deeper contour color. And I'm going to contour my nose.
And I'm going to go in lightly add that color to kind of give me the shape. As you can see, the shape is already coming. Okay, I'll do the blue. And then I'm going to go in with this contour brush. And I'm going to grab it and kind of bring it on the edge of my hairline. And then this way, it's going to look way more intense for a night out. Here we go. You can already see like it gives you the shape and gives you that J-Lo glow. This is all depending on you. If you feel like you don't need to do all this, you don't have to. I have a bigger forehead, so I want to make it, you know, a forehead, not a crescent. And also, it just brings that like shape and warmth. Girl, when I go out, I put on the darkest shade. I put on this one and then put on this one like to really intensify it, because I feel like, you know, when you go out, the lights will just they'll just make you disappear. And I want to look, you know, cute and tan and have some shape to my face.
What a difference with the shape, right? And I bring it like to the sides and to the sides here. And this way it slims the jawline and the underline of, you know, my neck. It takes away my little chin, my little chinny chin chin. Going in with the blue. I think we did everything. We did highlight, we did contour, we did eyes. What are we thinking? This is the way it looks up close for those of you who really want to see how it looks. Thank you. Okay, you guys, follow me on Instagram. I usually put up pictures on Instagram as well. And share this live. Let people know like you love the look and you're excited about it, and share with your girls so that they can do the look too. If you guys recreate this look, you could tag me, put like @NoAnnette or #NoAnnette, and I'll always see any kind of makeup looks anybody does, as far as like through my hashtag. So I'm glad you guys like the look, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. My device is tweaking, girl. I had that problem all the time too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys in my next one, okay? Bye.